The heart is the most vital organ of the human body. It beats 115,000 times each day. It composes of 4 chambers and 4 valves. The goal of heart is to facilitate deoxygenated blood to the lungs while pumping oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus. It communicates with the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. The right ventricle. It receives blood from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve and sends to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. The tricuspid valve composes of 3 leaflets that are connected to the papillary muscles via the tendinous cords. The pulmonary artery facilitates deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The left atrium. It receives oxygenated blood through 4 pulmonary veins. The left atrium communicates with the left ventricle through the mitral valve. The oxygenated blood then enters the aorta. Through the aortic valve. The coronary arteries originated from the sinuses of Valsalva. The left anterior descending artery supplies intraventricular septum, 50% of the left ventricle. It is the most critical coronary artery. The posterior descending artery supplies the posterior one of 3 of the intraventricular septum, part of the left ventricle. Notice the myocardial mass difference between the 2 ventricles in this cross-section. Notice the difference in the wall thickness between the aorta, the pulmonary artery.